Away they go. Jet Express, Gold Spear, Danori inside, Friendly Venture. Tonic Water alongside rushing up is Dr. Choice, Flyboy. Also moving up, Escape Artist, Rube Knight, Friendly Fire, Danori inside. Rushing up, Executive Order, Anopole, Sport last, Nose West, third last, Santiago second last, and Hakuna Matata is running in 14th. Dr. Choice. And on the outside, Escape Artist, Gold Spear, Jet Express is racing from the outside, taking the third spot. Friendly Venture running in fifth. Room Knight racing sixth by the Executive Order. As they race the final corner, now three runners fighting around for the lead. Dr. Choi, Jet Express rushing up from the outside, and Escape Artist on the further outside. Goldsmith, Room Knight, two runners fighting around for the lead. Dr. Choice, Jet Express on the outside, but Dr. Choice this time draws clear by about 3 lengths, and finally Dr. Choice, Jet Express, third, unopposed, Tonic Water, and Room Knight for your Fantafecta.
Suntok sa hangin
Wala,
itong
wala,
katabi